Always vacuum thoroughly before using any wet cleaners on upholstery to remove dry dirt and dust that will otherwise muddy the fabric. Start by running a vacuum slowly over the entire piece, noting seams, cracks, and crevices where debris accumulates, and using upholstery attachments for best pickup. Test any cleaner on a hidden area and wait at least 10 minutes to check for dye transfer or fiber damage before treating a visible section. Work from top to bottom and from the outside edges toward the center, so you do not resoil cleaned areas, and use light, controlled motions rather than heavy scrubbing, which can push dirt deeper or distort pile. Use minimal moisture by applying cleaner to a cloth first and blotting, rather than saturating the fabric, and follow with clean water on a second cloth to rinse away residues. For stubborn spots, use a soft bristled brush in gentle circular motions, then blot repeatedly with a dry microfiber towel until the spot lifts and the fabric feels only slightly damp. Allow the piece to air dry completely in a well-ventilated room and avoid direct heat, which can shrink fibers or set stains. 3 common mistakes are skipping the vacuum step, which causes muddy residue, using too much liquid, which promotes mildew and color bleeding, and aggressive scrubbing that frays fibers. If you skip vacuuming, go back and remove loose soils first, and then repeat your cleaning process to avoid embedding grit. If you have excess moisture, blot with absorbent towels and increase airflow with fans to prevent mold and odor. If fibers get abraded, stop scrubbing and switch to blotting with a mild cleaner, and consider professional restoration for delicate or antique fabrics. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences so we can all make better decisions for our homes.